Padayon. It's a Filipino Bisaya word that means keep going. This gives you hope that everything will work out. Padayon. Keep going. In Dory's famous words, it means just keep swimming. Everything will be alright in the end. This is the word I utter to myself whenever I feel down and hopeless, and in times when I want to give up, I just say to myself, Padayon. Everything will come to an end. This hardship will not last forever, so Padayon, keep going. If the tunnel is still dark, you haven't finished your journey yet. The story is always ending beautifully for you. So to everyone watching, Padayon, whatever struggles you may have, it will all be well.